raw veggie bacon using mushrooms peels. Remove the stems and pull these edges upward, like so. They will come off as strips quite easily. I will save the whole mushrooms for another recipe idea that I have, but for now I'm only using these peel strips in this recipe. These are super thin and very dry, and of course they are very, very bland. So I'm enriching them with some raw butter. I coat them about 1 tablespoon of melted raw butter. This will mimic the fat in the bacon. Also, I'm adding some liquid smoke for saltiness and umami. Soy or tamari sauce can be used instead if you cannot find liquid smoke anywhere. Mix well and leave for 10 minutes for the flavors to absorb in. I'm adding my bacon in my raw bread wrap. I will link some raw bread recipes for you to check out in the card above and in the description box. I'm also adding some avocado and some raw fermented cheese, but possibilities really are infinite. Whatever combination you like, it will work. And that's it pretty much. Now you close the wrap, flip it in the plate, cut it in slices, and voila, it's all done very quickly and very easily. This is a nutrient dense, bursting with living enzymes, 100% raw vegetarian gourmet fast food. Utterly guilt free, and it squashes any unhealthy craving, and it's perfect in any weight loss diet or regime. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe.